Introducing the DEEPOWER H26 Pro electric bike, your ultimate riding companion for every adventure. With its powerful motor, robust design, and fat tires, it's ready to conquer any terrain. Experience the strength of the 2000W motor with 75 Nm torque, reaching speeds of up to 32 miles per hour. Paired with a 48V 25AH removable battery, you can travel between 55 to 70 miles on a single charge. Charging takes just 6 to 7 hours, so you're always ready for your next ride. From the beach to the mountains, snow to city streets, the 26-inch X 4.0 fat tires provide excellent traction and support. With Chaoyang tires, the bike adapts smoothly to any road surface, ensuring a safe and stable ride every time. Ride with confidence thanks to the dual shock absorbers. Whether it's rough terrain or city roads, the lockable shock forks and hydraulic shock absorbers cushion every bump. Equipped with oil brakes, you get precise, instant braking power even in wet weather conditions. Choose from free riding modes, pure electric, pedal assist, or pedal only, and customize your riding experience. The 7-speed gearing system ensures smooth transitions and total control over your ride. The intuitive LCD display keeps you informed, showing your speed, gear, battery level, distance traveled, and even fault warnings. Ride confidently at night with the LED headlight and reflector, ensuring you're visible and safe. The foldable design of the DEEPOWER H26 Pro makes it easy to store and transport. Whether you're commuting or taking it on an adventure, convenience is built in. The DEEPOWER H26 Pro is more than just an electric bike, it's your all-terrain solution. Get ready to ride freely and confidently wherever the road takes you. Discover the freedom of powerful riding with DEEPOWER. Ready for your next adventure?